I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I usually feed my baby. This is for self-weaning when I want him to eat alone. So I have in here some sweet potatoes, organic sweet potatoes, and some carrots. And I'm going to crack 3 organic eggs. I just got this from the farm right now. As you can see, it's not even clean yet. I just picked it literally from the farm this evening. So I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to just mix this together and season with just a little bit of salt because the sweet potatoes is already sweet, and then I fry on with little bit of olive oil. So instead of olive oil, I decided to use some butter. I'm going to pour the mixture in the pan, cover it, and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So there you have it. It's nice and soft. And then you can just portion it however you want. Cut it into little pieces so he can eat by himself.